Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Ford Key Fob. Here's what you need. You need a small screwdriver like this. It doesn't have to be a screwdriver exactly this size, but something small that you can do a little prying with. And you need your replacement battery as well. This takes one of the 2032s. You can get these off Amazon. They're really inexpensive. And there's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. Okay, so on this key fob, make sure you pop that out. And there's two holes here. There's that hole and this back hole. So what you want to do is take something about this size, put it in that second hole, and then once it's in there, you just kind of push down like that, and that pops out. This is where you can either take this, pop it out like that, or you can use your screwdriver, either way. And there you've got access to your battery. Take your little screwdriver, pop that out, and this says 2032, positive side goes down, so put in your new fresh battery. Alright, that's in. And to put this back together, give that a good squeeze, and then this literally just slides in, and you'll hear it lock like that. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.